Hey guys, we're gonna go to Kroger and pick up some food, and then we're gonna go to Petland.
Zane?
How's it going, everybody? We are heading to Petland right now. We're gonna see some cute puppies and guinea pigs and birds and fun stuff, and we're gonna show you all the cuteness. So we'll see you there.
Hello friends, we just made it to Petland. We're gonna go in and see what kind of animals they have. Also, I just got a new Jeep. You guys like it? It's really good.
Bonnie, want a cracker? Do you want a cracker? Bonnie, want a cracker?
There's a parrot, kitty bird.
Good boy.
This bird costs $10,000.
Do you want a cracker?
Look, guys, it's a cockatiel. I think it likes me. It was on my shoulder and then Caleb took it off because it was going to eat me.
Good boy.
I'm the bird master. Looky here.
Wow.
It's a little guinea pig or something.
What happened if we just
Do you like it?
What would happen if we just...
Put it in your pocket. This is a little hamster.
Don't...
Caleb loves them.
Run faster.
Oh, he's making them
Run
do shit.
faster. Now do a backflip.
We got a little husky. Look at this cute little puppy. He's the prettiest little eyes. It's a girl. Isn't that so adorable? Caleb, what's your favorite breed of dog?
I don't know. All of them, besides Chihuahuas and the little ones.
Well, this is my favorite breed.
I like
Husky.
it.
It's gonna be my first dog. She likes the mic. Well, guys, it's time to put Spike away.
We love Spike. Come
And
here,
we're gonna
Spike.
get a new doggy out.
We could just climb right up into my lap and is loving me. Is loving
This
me.
is a little Pomsky, a Pomeranian mixed with a Husky. So
It's gonna look like a husky, but only be like 25 pounds. What are you doing?
I'm so excited. Aww. So cuddly.
I love dogs. Doopsie doopsie, come here. You're so cool.
Somebody had a little bit of an accident.
Chill. Have they? He pooped. Ow, hey. Love me. Bite me. It did it.
Well, that was our Petland excursion. So now we're gonna go over to Walmart, and grab some cheese for Caleb because he's been a little baby about it.
No.
And there is currently tornado warnings all over, so hopefully we don't get sucked up by a tornado.
Damage to roof,
There's
windows,
geese outside and there's a tornado!
Tree damage is likely.
Run them over!
Locations of black like
Stupid geese! We're gonna die!
Get dusted!
This is legit, there's a tornado!
Look! Oh no!
So I got inducted as the Fire Ready team captain of our school. That means that I just tell people to do their financial aid crap and then we win pizza. So you're gonna see me get inducted as the team captain during chapel today. I'm getting nervous.
Would you give it up for Zane Menzies?
Yeah!
Okay.
Zane.
All right, and I am also extremely proud. What are you guys wanting your teams to do?
Get fire ready.
Before I let you guys go, I want to see their best gamer smash pose this morning.
Gamer smash.
Katie's got it here. Okay, let's see Zane. Zane, help him out. Any instructions this morning?
I just want all of the guys to know that if we win, I'll personally give all of you a high five.
This is a vlog takeover with the girls, so
literal way that all of you are gonna hate
I
it.
want to die. I want to die after this.
It's fine. We're funny. I promise.
Come with us.
So these are where all of our friends hang out. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, that's such a funny joke. No, I'll see you in class. Yeah, let's go to class where all of our friends are. Just like random places. Oh, what's up, Jimmy? Seriously, so funny. You're so stop. No. What? No. It's not even. Yeah. Have a good day.
Hi,
This is going on YouTube.
Lola. How you doing?
It's from Zane and Caleb's vlog.
It's a who one?
Zane and Caleb, it's their vlog.
Oh, they're their vlog.
So
What do you want me to
This is life
say?
like us.
This is
just
life
real
like
life.
us.
What's up, everyone? We're headed to the park now to take advantage of the beautiful day.
So we made it to High Banks Metro Park. We're gonna go on a little hike and show you some pretty scenery. So let's see what we find.
Oh, Caleb's being a little risky. It's really bright out.
Ooh, squirrel. They're leaving me forever. There's fishies in there.
I found a trampoline.
Down there, there's a teepee or something. And we're gonna go look at it and think it's really cool. Caleb made a man-made bridge.
And
Now he has to trek across
it's
it.
really stable, actually. Let me just get my footing with
Go! Faster! We have made it. Caleb is currently playing the flute. Look how pretty.
Hey guys, I'm on camera duty now because Zane wants to play. So if the footage is bad, it's my fault. Ow! Ouch! Oops.
Water is so delicious. Ah! On my face.
Oh my god! That is terrifying!
Oh my gosh, it's lifelike.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
No, don't.
And then crack my head.
Yeah, don't do it if you don't feel like you can.
Do it. Do it.
Farther, just go up to the water.
Monkey.
Bear crawling is just.
I like Tarzan.
Done. Monkey.
It's shaking.
Dude, just jump off.
Bro, you're like so close to the ground.
I just broke my knees.
Caleb.
Well, we are ending off our hike excavation mission.
Okay, so we just had a room check, and the expectations were really high. And so we just got back, it just got graded. We did good, we passed. We didn't get fined, but I'm gonna play a prank on Zane because he was really nervous about it. And so I wrote some sticky notes, and it basically just said they're gonna get fined. I'll show them here. So I have like a throw off, great effort, a couple of things to work on, but good job. A couple spots on shower, blah, blah, blah. I just made the exact same note that they wrote on the original sticky note. Just put it on mine because it was the same color. And then here's where I laid down the fines. This one was Connor, and this one was Zane. And then just to make it believable, I know the fines are rough, but the expectation was clear. If you'd like to argue your case, email us. So I'll try to get their reaction when they come, but I don't want to make it suspicious by putting like a camera up, so I'll have to put it somewhere to hide it. But yeah.
Sam, we got fined. Me and you.
For what?
Bro, under fresh plus, wait, what does that say, stove? We used the Swiffer. Bro, we literally used the Swiffer under it. What does he mean? Bro, what? We literally used the Swiffer under it.
I went into the.
Oh, Caleb definitely just he threw $25. He's terrible.
What?
He definitely.
You're such an idiot.
He definitely wrote $25 fine because they said good job overall, guys.
Good one.
Everyone attack Caleb.
Who holds their phone like that?
Yeah,
I did
everyone
not.
attack Caleb. Stop that, you jerk.
I actually didn't write it though. I just said videotaping to see your guys' reaction to the
You
fine.
definitely did write that.
Did we get fined or not? Just be honest.
Say,
I literally don't care.
where are you going?
Did we get fined? Bro, what the heck? Dude, there's literally nothing under the fridge.
It's they're literally clean.
Are you gonna email them then?
I'm not gonna email them until you tell me you didn't write that. Here's the real ones. Gosh.
Oh.
You really wrote all that.
Dude,
For what?
you're so annoying, Caleb.
Gosh, you're a loser. Bye, guys. Sorry that the episode kind of sucked this week. We tried our best, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. But thanks for watching anyway.